Hi! In this video I will show you how to reset your AirPods. This method can solve the most AirPod problems that you have. Put the AirPods in the holder. Open the case and you will see green lights. On the back side there is a little reset button. Press that button for 15 seconds. The light should start to flash white. Then it should switch over to orange. And then it should go back to white again. Now your AirPods have been reset. Open the case next to your iPhone. And press connect on the phone. And now they are connected. And this will fix your problems with your AirPods. And if this doesn't fix your problem, you will probably have a hardware problem. So you must contact the store where you purchased your AirPods. And that's it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you get the help you were looking for, please subscribe to this channel and tap the button right here.